Guys, what is up? It is your girl, Confident Black Girl, and I am back with another video. Yes, it is a nail video, and with good measure, because this nail polish, as you can see, is popping. And yes, it is another Floss gloss polish. This company is really on a roll when it comes to their nail polish. They give really good salon quality for an affordable price, which I love. And I just had to bring it to y'all. So I got the inspiration to do a French tip from this picture that I'm about to show y'all. And I'm just gonna make my own stencil. And I'm gonna show you how I do that as well. So what you're gonna need, of course, is tape, a marker or a pencil, fine tip scissors, and tweezers. Also, a curved surface to make the French tip. I'm using these old nail tips that I found in my nail kit, but honestly, you can get nails like this from like any beauty supply store and just use them to create your French tip. So you guys just saw me make the first stencil, and now I'm gonna show you guys how I make it for my other fingers because I am only right-handed. Just get another piece of tape and so you make it unsticky, as you guys see that I'm doing here, so that when you take it off of the top of the nail, it doesn't take the first stencil off with it. Put it flat on the nail and then just trace with the marker the first line that you made with the first stencil. Then after that, you just do the same thing as before. Take it off, cut it, and then put it on the other nail. So here I am just showing you guys my first impressions of the nail polish. I have not used this nail polish before, and I wish I could get this live reaction rather than this voiceover, but there was too much noise going on at the time. And honestly, all you would hear me be saying is just wow, wow, because when you see me put it on the nail, because this close up in the polish, it doesn't do as much justice as when you see it on the nail. So when you see it, you're gonna be as blown away as I was when I was applying it. Exactly. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, would you just bask in the greatness that is this nail polish? Like, look at this. Who else do you know is doing this? Floss gloss is changing the game up, and I am here for it. They can take all my money, cause if you come in like this, like, I really gotta give you your props. And as you can see, this is literally just a nail polish, and this is its first coat. Like, this is literally chrome in a bottle. And you know with chrome, like, it has to be like a gel polish, and you gotta do like some extraness to make it chrome, like rub something on it. Not with this. And with chrome, you gotta pay extra money. This is chrome in a bottle. This was like $9 plus shipping, like $13. But who else like is doing a game like this? Let me just ask, because I don't know. And I'm not trying to start like a nail polish war, but like, I don't see Etsy, OPI, like, I don't see none of the other girls doing it like this. Like, Floss gloss is the future. These other companies are the past. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm just trying to elevate up. I'm not trying to go no steps back. So of course, I'm just being excited right now because this nail polish looks really good. This video is not sponsored at all. Like, I'm really just a very, 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 very happy customer. Although my only critique is, can we get a bigger bottle, Floss gloss? Like, this bottle is literally like 0.8 fluid ounces. Like, sis, please. And of course, this is not the only color they have. I believe they do have it also in like silver, but definitely comment down below and let me know what other colors you want to see this in. Like, I could definitely picture like a cute light blue, a gold or yellow, but let me know. I want to hear what y'all think. Now, of course, as y'all can see, this is literally just one coat, one thin coat at that, which means a really, really fast drying. and a nice finish. No clumps at all. Now I was contemplating on if I wanted to put a clear polish over it, and I didn't want to like mess up my own nails, so I just wanted to see how this nail polish stood up. Like would my top coat like mess up the composition of the nail polish or anything? So I just took a fake nail and put a top coat, and as you can see, nothing has really changed. Like the nail is nice and smooth and shiny, but just for me, like without the top coat, it looks like more like gritty, and like it just looks more like defined without the top coat. So now let's take off the tape and see what this French is looking like. This is about the time that I would recommend you use tweezers, just so that you don't mess up your own nail. But spoiler alert, I ended up not liking the French. Number one, because like they were kind of crooked, and I can't go out like that. Number two, for my first wear, I really just wanted all my nails that one color. Like I really wanted to bask in the greatness that is this nail polish. But honestly, I'm kind of happy that I made this mistake, so that I can see how this nail polish handles like chips or any type of mistakes. So next I'm just gonna show you guys how I fixed up my nails from the botched design, because that design was no. Now as you can see, after like a few light coats, the line is like literally gone. Like you can see it still because of how much light is like beaming on the nails, but looking at them with your naked eye, you would not think that I messed up. And also, as you can see, like with each application, how much darker the nail polish gets, for like your own records when you get the nail polish. And I say when because nobody can look at this video and not like immediately purchase. Like it's impossible. Now just a little tidbit, I'm doing this voiceover about a week after I applied this nail polish, and in terms of chipping, like it does not chip easily at all. Like I chipped my nail, but it was because like my nail went through like some trauma. Like it really hit my desk and that made it chip. But anything else, like I could shower, do the dishes and all that, and it did not chip. And this is why I'm in love with this company, because even though I paid $13 for 0.8 fluid ounces, like this nail polish is really great quality. Plus, I believe they have a store here in New York, so I'll have to go to that so I don't have to pay extra shipping. So definitely, if you're in New York, like hit them up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. I'm always in the comment section. I always answer questions. Make sure you check the description box for any details. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.